Hi students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to find the mode of group data. Here is the formula to find the mode of a group data. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L equal to lower limit of the model class. What is mean by model class? Model class is the class with maximum frequency. So L equal to lower limit of the model class, and next H. H is the size of the class interval. H equal to size of the class interval. F1 equal to frequency of the model class. F0 equal to frequency of the class just preceding the model class. Frequency of the class preceding the model class, and F2 equal to frequency of the class succeeding the model class. These are the notations used in the formula. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we are going to do one example. A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. There are two columns. First column family size and second column number of families. The family size is given in classes. First class is 1 to 3, then 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, and corresponding frequency 7, 8, 2, 2, 1. We need to find the mode of this data. Now we are going to find the mode of this group data. The first one is class family size, it is given in classes, and second one it is frequency F. Second one is frequency. First we should find the model class. What is meant by model class? Model class means the class having maximum frequency. Here 8 is the maximum frequency. 8 is the maximum frequency. So corresponding class is 3 to 5. 3 to 5 is the model class here. Model class means the class having maximum frequency. Here maximum frequency is 8. So model class is 3 to 5. The class having maximum frequency. So we found model class. And next it is L. What is meant by L? L is the lower limit of the model class. Model class is 3 to 5, its lower limit is 3. So L equal to 3. And H. H means class size. How to find class size? Class size H equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Here upper limit is 5, lower limit is 3. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So class size H equal to 2. And next one is F1. What is F1? F1. Now next one is frequency of the model class. F1. F1 is frequency of the model class. Model class is 3 to 5. Its frequency is 8. So F1 equal to 8. Next one is F0. What is meant by F0? F0 means the frequency of the class preceding the model class. What is meant by preceding? Preceding means the class before. Model class is 3 to 5. So preceding class is 1 to 3. Its frequency is 7. So frequency of the class preceding the model class, it is 7. So F0 equal to 7. And next one, it is F2. What is meant by F2? Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Succeeding the model class means the class after model class. It is 5 to 7. Its frequency is 2. So F2 equal to 2. Here model class is 3 to 5. L equal to 3, H equal to 2, and F1 equal to 8, F0 equal to 7, and F2 equal to 2. Now substitute the values. Mod equal to L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. That's equal to, substitute the values. L is 3 plus 8 minus 7 by 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2 into 2. That's equal to 3 plus 8 minus 7 is 1 by 2 into 8 16, 16 minus 7 it is 9 minus 2 it is 7, 1 by 7 into 2. That's equal to 3 plus 2 by 7. 2 by 7 it is 0.28. So 3 plus 0.28, that's equal to 3.28. So the mode of this data is 3.28. 3.28 is the mode of this data.